अस्सलामुअलैकुम, दानिश खान आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है। आज हम बना रहे हैं राजमा का मसाला। जी, राजमा का मसाला बहुत बहुत मशहूर है कश्मीर में, स्पेशली इट्स रियली famous in Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir. And today I'll be showing you how to make Rajma Masala. So what the ingredients, what do you need? So first of all, you need kidney beans. These are the ones which are come in a tin. It's been boiled already, so all you have to do is just cook it. So I've got that one tin of red beans in there. I've got fresh corianders. It depends what you want. It's just basically to put on top of it once the Rajma Masala is done. Obviously, I've got chopped tin again, tin chopped tomatoes. To be honest, you could use tomato puree as well, but I didn't have one, so I thought I'll use this. Same thing. So also we need chili. So I've used 3 chilies, and I'll cut them in halves. So basically there's 6 there. You need butter, which I'm going to melt later on. Same again, it's right at the end. Once the Rajma Masala is done, you put on top of it. So now let's see what powders, what masala do we need. So here we go. So masala. First of all, you need ginger garlic paste, cinnamon stick, you need coriander powder, crushed chili. Well, I wanted to use a full red chili, but I don't have it, so I'm using a crushed chili. Yeah, that should be fine. Salt, bay leaves, fenugreek leaves, call it methi. Like I said, I could have used a methi powder, but I don't have one. It doesn't matter. You can still use this. So we've got garam masala here. We got chili powder. We got turmeric powder, and we got whole zira, and we've got cumin powder, which obviously will go with the masala. So these are the ingredients that you need. Let's quickly show you one by one. So let's crack on with the cooking then. I'm gonna pour some oil in there. Try not to pour a lot of oil. You don't. It's basically Rajma Masala, so you don't want to add a lot of oil in there. I'm gonna put zira in there now. So I've added the zira in there. Cook for a few seconds, well, a minute, and then we'll add the next. So now we'll add some cinnamon stick in there, and also we're gonna add bay leaves in there. Mix it. So as you can see, I've added the green chili and the crushed chilies in there. Give it a bit of stir. Now we're gonna add the garlic and ginger paste. Make sure the heat is on low at this stage, because what you don't want is all of that coming on top of you. Give it a good stir around. So add fresh tomato in there. What I like to do is just get a bit of water and add that in there. give it a bit stir it. The main thing is that you got to keep stirring it occasionally. Like I said, what you don't want is all of that oil to be sticking at the bottom. Obviously, now we're going to let it cook for like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes before we add the powder. Well, 10 minutes, and then we'll add all the masala next. So now we're going to add all the masala in there. You can see all the masala is in there. Mix it well, and we're gonna let the masala cook now for another 10 to 12 minutes. So now we're gonna add the kidney beans in there. And we're gonna give it a good stir. Stir it well. I mean, sometimes you can add 2 tins or 1.5 tins, or if you get it fresh, you can add as much as you want. I mean, 1 tin should be enough for us. So for me, 1 tin should be enough. Stir it well, and so now we're going to cover this up and we're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So now it seems like it's cooked, as you can see. So what we're going to add now is the garam masala on top of it. Mix the garam masala in there. We'll add the coriander. And we're going to add butter on top of it. And we're going to give it a last stir. And the Rajma Masala is cooked. The Rajma Masala is cooked. So the Rajma Masala has been served. So guys, thank you very much for viewing this recipe. Try it out. This is my first YouTube video. I know we all make mistakes, so hopefully you'll ignore the mistakes, and like I said, leave a comment below, like it, subscribe my channel, and anything that you want to comment down below, you're welcome. And we'll catch up with you guys next time. See you later. Khuda Hafiz.